last subtopic of this chapter 1, which is continuity. Okay, so a function can be divided into two categories, which is a continuous or discontinuous. So discontinuous ni dia tak ni lah, tak tak continuous lah, tapi kita pakai perkataan discontinuous Kita tak pakai not continuous, kita pakai discontinuous. Okay, so it is a easy way to detect the continuity of a function, okay, by looking at the graph. Okay, if the graph can be drawn without lifting a pen, then the graph is said to be continuous. Okay, so for example apa? For example, graph a linear. Okay, awak perlu angkat pen tak? Tak perlu. Without lifting a pen, so this one is a continuous function. Let's say y, this one is x, so let's say this one is a y is equal to 2x, yeah. Okay, so this one is a continuous penting penting untuk kita tahu continuous atau tak. So for example, kalau you ada quadratic function, kalau you ada quadratic function, pun sama, dia perlu tak angkat pen? Tak perlu kan? So this is a continuous, continuous function lah. Alright, so let's see continuity of a function. Kalau continuous, like I said, if you draw a graph then without lifting a pen, nampak kan? Tak perlu angkat pen. So discontinuous, contoh ini, ini, so nak pergi ni kena angkat pen kan? Kena angkat pen. Right, that is a discontinuous. So let's see, determine the continuity of the following function. Kalau you tengok, continuous or not? This one is continuous. Kalau you tengok sini kan, continuous lah sebab tak perlu angkat pen. Ini general lah. How about this one? How about this graph? Continuous or discontinuous? Obviously, it is discontinuous because you look at sini, nak pergi dekat sini kena angkat pen lah. So dia discontinuous. And actually, macam mana kita nak tentukan sama ada the function is continuous or discontinuous? We have a test. We have a test. We call as continuity test. We call it as continuity test. So what is a continuity? A function is said to be continuous at point x is equal to c if the following condition are satisfied. Kita ada 3 condition for continuity test. The first one is the function is defined at x is equal to c. The function is defined at x is equal to c. That is the functions of c axis. Maksud dia apa? Maksud dia macam ni lah, contoh. Contoh. Saya ada linear function. Oh, tak nampak, sorry. Tak nampak. Tak nampak. Contoh, saya lukis, saya ada a linear function y, x. For example, this one is 5, x is equal to 5. Kalau you tengok simbol ni, wujud tak function pada x is equal to 5? Tak wujud. Sebab apa? Ni, you kena faham ni. Empty circle ni maksud dia excluded. Value is excluded. Kalau dense circle ataupun This one is empty circle. This one is a dense circle. Okay, kita panggil dia included lah. Value is included. Okay, ini maksud dia apa? Ini maksud dia X adalah from negative infinity to 1, 2, 3, 4 saja. Okay? Kena faham. So maksud dia kat sini FC does not exist kat sini. Okay, kalau you ada ni, okay, saya ambil function yang sama for your understanding. Okay. X is a 5 sama. So maksudnya value of X adalah daripada infinity sehingga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see the difference? Empty circle and fill circle ataupun dense circle. Termasuklah. Okay, ini FC exists. C tu adalah 5 lah. So F5 exists. Okay. So, number 2. Okay, conditions for continuity test is a limit of fx when x approaches to c exists. Okay, ini biasa je. And number 3 adalah, okay, number 3 adalah condition 1 is equal to condition 2. Paling senang you nak faham lah. Ada student yang macam confused je. Apa maksud dia ni? Maksudnya, okay, condition pertama sama dengan condition kedua. Limit of fx when x approaches to infinity is equal to fc. Okay, so if one of these condition is failed, then the continuity test is failed. Maksudnya apa? Maksudnya the function is discontinuous. Okay, faham eh? Alright, so let's see the example. Determine the continuity of the following graph. Okay. Kalau tengok this one, jangan tengok dia punya graph ni, angkat pen atau tak. Okay. Kalau nak determine this continuity, you kena tengok pada 3 properties of continuity test lah. Okay, the first one, FC is defined tak? Tengok FC, defined tak? Tengok, dia adalah fill circle, so FC defined. Okay, number 2. Okay, limit of fx when x approaches to c. You kena ingat balik kepada teori. Okay, limit of fx when x approaches to c from left exist tak? Ada tak? Let's say A. Okay. Ni A. Okay, limit of fx when x approaches to c from right. Dia menghampiri A juga. So therefore limit of fx when x approaches to c is A. Okay, ni A. Okay, FC is defined. So sama, FC is equal to A. Okay. So number 3, limit of fx when x approaches to c is equal to fc equal to A. Therefore, okay. Therefore, apa yang you boleh conclude? Therefore, limit of therefore FC is continuous. Therefore, fx is continuous at C. Okay. Alright, so hopefully you understand. Kita ada tiga properties of continuity test. Okay, continuity test awak kena ingat sendiri, kita tak akan bagi dalam formula. Okay, the second example. Okay, kalau you tengok dekat sini Tengok dekat sini. Let's say FC adalah B sini. Let's say this one is A. Okay. So FC is defined. Define kan? Ada define ni. So C is equal to what? B. Okay. So number 2. Limit of FC when X approaches to C from left. Apa? From left. A kan? Limit of FC when X approaches to C from right. C from right also. A. Number 3. Limit of tak siap lagi. So limit of FC when X approaches to sin limit kiri sama dengan limit kanan. So limit of FC, Fx. Sorry my dear, Fx. Okay, limits of Fx when X approaches to C is equal to A. So number 3, limit of Fx when X approaches to C, kalau you tengok is not equal to FC. Sebab apa? Limit of Fx when X approaches to C is A. Limit of FC is equal to B. So A is not equal to B. Therefore apa? Therefore Fx is discontinuous. At C, okay? Fx is discontinuous at C. Okay? Okay, lagi. This one. Macam mana? Okay, kalau you tengok dekat sini, first one. Let's say here is C. Let's say this one is E lah. Okay, let's say this one is E. Here is B. And this one is A. Okay, so FC defined or not? FC is defined. See ni? Fill circle ni FC is defined. So FC is equal to E. Saya masuk nilai supaya awak nampak. Okay class, this is just a what we call as example. This is a theory yang you kena faham. Fundamental yang you kena faham Okay, so limit, kita akan tengok example dia betul-betul after this. So limit of Fx when X approaches to C from left. Okay, you akan dapat A. Limit of Fx when X approaches to C from right. So, limit kiri tak sama dengan limit kanan. That's mean limit of Fx when X approaches to C does not exist lah sebab limit kiri tak sama. Since 2 pun dah fail, properties number 2 fail. Therefore, fx, okay, fx, okay, fx is discontinuous at C. That's how you, okay, write your answer. Okay, how about this one? Let's say this one is A and here is B, number 1, okay, FC. Ada tak FC kat sini? Tak ada pun fill circle kat sini. FC is undefined. Is undefined. Number 2, okay, FC is undefined. Number 2, limit of fx when x approaches to C from left equal to A. Limit of fx when x approaches to C from right, from left, from right equal to B. So therefore, limit of fx when x approaches to C does not exist. So, okay, dah lah FC is undefined. Limit pun tak exist. Maksudnya, kedua-dua properties are not satisfied. So, for sure lah, fx is discontinuous. Sorry, at C.